You are welcome back again to Dario Agro Farm YouTube channel. This video is an update of the comparison between two hybrid of broilers, Ross 308 and Cobb 500. This is day 15 comparison. We are going to be checking their growth rate and other parameters at day 15, that is 2 weeks and 1 day. Also, we'll be using this opportunity to look and discuss about fowl typhoid in poultry. If this is your first time of visiting my channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video and comment. Thank you. If you have been following my channel, you will note that when these birds arrive, we try to update the record, and the aggregate came in with a lower weight compared to the old lamb, which is that is the Ross 308 came in with a lower weight compared to the Cobb 500. So we're unable to take record at day 7, and today, making day 15, we are going to check the record. So far so good. We have no record mortality from both hatchery, from both hybrid. So everything regarding their health has been good. So but we want to check the weight, which we are basically concerned about, the weight gain at day 15. So we'll compare. We are going to weigh everything. The number of birds in question is 100 pieces of Ross 308 and 100 pieces of Cobb 500. So we'll be measuring everything and we'll find the average weight, and we'll try to compare and contrast the average weight from themselves. The aim of this experiment is to check which is best for 6 weeks farming, which of the hybrid, either Cobb 500 or Ross 308, is best for 6-week farming. We won't be able to show the video of how we measure everything, but this is how it was done. 4 birds at a time. Then we are going to minus the weight of the bowl, which is 101, before we divide it by the average weight. So after measuring the 100 in each room, then we divide by the number and we'll find the average weight. As you can see, the day 15 aggregate, which is Ross 308, average weight is 657.3. Meanwhile, you know, we have shooters that are up to 800 gram, and we have the one that are very low in weight, that are around 400 to 500 gram. So this is why our average weight is around 657. The same thing will be done to the old lamb to find the average weight. But while we are doing this and you are following up as you are watching the screen, let's explain one of the sickness you are going to encounter and you should be able to prevent at this age, week 2, is fowl typhoid. Fowl typhoid is a disease caused by the bacterium Salmonella gallinarum. One thing is that poultry are natural hosts for this bacterium. Fowl typhoid can be introduced into your flock by flies. Your birds can also get this fowl typhoid through contaminated water. Now, what are the symptoms that will really tell you that your birds are having fowl typhoid? Infected chicks exhibit weakness, they exhibit poor appetite and stunted growth. In addition, their droppings are like chalky white. This disease called fowl typhoid is similar to pullorum disease. This disease can lead to mortality if care is not taken. And one of the early disease, which is called fowl typhoid, is diarrhea. And this diarrhea causes feces to stick to the vent of your birds, which we call pasty boot. Young birds may die suddenly without any apparent reason. So care must be taken to control this fowl typhoid in your birds within the first 2 weeks. There are many drugs that can take care of fowl typhoid in poultry. If you go to your vet shop, there are many drugs that are designed to eradicate fowl typhoid. You can give it as a preventive drug, or you use it for treatment immediately, or you observe the symptoms. One of the strong drugs that I will recommend and we use is Darox. Darox P and L can help to eradicate or prevent fowl typhoid from affecting your birds. So when you give this, when you follow a good medication table and you give these Darox at least once in a week, you will not experience what we call fowl typhoid in your birds, and you'll be able to focus on their growth and boost their weight to a very good size. One of the best way to maximize profit in poultry farming is to prevent sickness and disease from affecting your birds. And the best way to prevent sicknesses and diseases is by giving a preventive medication. That is why at Dairy Agro Farm we practice preventive medication. So this is how you prevent and treat fowl typhoid using Darox P and L. And as I said earlier, there are many drugs that can take care of fowl typhoid at your vet shop. You can actually go to your vet shop and get drugs that can take care of it. And again, you can also treat this fowl typhoid using organic antibiotic. Check my previous videos. There's a video I made on how to formulate organic antibiotic. You can use that to prevent and also treat fowl typhoid in poultry. If you want to get any of our medication, both either Darox or Broda or Weight Booster, you can get this from any of the number below. Any of our sales representatives, you get the medication at a place closer to you. So you just have to call them or message them on WhatsApp and you get your medication through the number displayed below. Now you can see the average weight of Olam, which is Cobb 500 at day 15, is 531 compared to aggregate 100 plus. Now obviously the first 2 weeks, the rate at which Ross 308 grows is more faster than that of Cobb 500 based on this experiment. Ross 308 grow faster than Cobb 500 in the first 2 weeks, as it is seen in this experiment. So we are going to keep you updated with previous week's result to see if the Cobb 500 will later meet up with the Ross 308 or they will both maintain the rate at which they are growing now. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, as I will be updating you next on their day 21 growth rate. Let's see if they will meet up or there will be any changes at the way they are growing now. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and we'll see you in our next